We are present in India for the last 10 years, and we as a brand, we are available in the entire Middle East and in India. We as a company, we deal with a lot of world leading brands, which are for laser devices, for injectables, and for skincare. So today, it's an absolute honor for me to be present at Skin Envy and sitting with Dr. Aishwarya, who is the first one to launch one of the most exciting devices in the world of pigmentation. Pigmentation has been there for generations, and India as a market, we have faced a lot of issues with pigmentation, which we'll probably discuss as we move on. But there have not been many devices or many treatments to take care or handle the concern of pigmentation, which is very, very normal. So, moving forward, I would like to introduce Dr. Aishwarya, who is the proud owner of Skin Envy and the first one to introduce the Hollywood Spectra plasma device, not only in India, but she's the first one to launch the Hollywood Spectra in the entire South Asia.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat, for that wonderful intro. And yes, as he said, Leader Healthcare has been in the market for a long time right now, and I'm very happy to be associated with their company. And they bring in only the best and the latest of devices to India. And Lutronic Hollywood Spectra is one such machine. What interested me the most was that most of the machines are for Western skin, and Lutronic Hollywood Spectra has been tested, and there are clinical studies which show that they work on Indian skin also. That's the reason why I wanted to bring the machine mainly to India, because it is amazing for Indian skin. And they have the original patented carbon facial, that is the Hollywood facial. And you can see that in the market there are a lot of carbon facials which are available. Absolutely. But this is the original one, the patented technology. And there are many such advantages to the machine, and it's FDA approved short pulse device for treating melasma. Melasma is nothing but a dermal stubborn pigmentation which is very, very difficult to treat. But with this machine, I am feeling confident that I can give the best results.
Absolutely, you should.
Yes, because like I've worked on a couple of patients, and with just a couple of treatments I could see faster and safer results.
Right.
Especially when we are working with laser, safety is very, very important.
Yes.
Right? So I could just easily operate the machine because it was very, very user friendly also. So yeah, apart from that, the technical details I think you should.
Right. So I will take on the technical details. I'll give you a small backdrop of the company. Lutronic is a brand from Korea. The brand has been in the market for the last 30 years, and they were one of the first companies to introduce the concept of Q-switch laser for treating pigmentation. And pigmentation, of course, it is there on all skin types, starting from skin type 1 to skin type 6. But we as Indians, we see this is very more, I would say, prominent and common problem that we have as Indians. So this brand has been in the market in India for the last more than 10 years. And Lutronics as a device, we have over 120 installations across the country. This brand has been tried and tested for almost 10 years on Indian skin type, and patients across the country, be it from the north, south, east or west, they have been really happy and satisfied, and they've been treated on this device for many, many years. Hollywood Spectra, which we are launching today, however, it's a new dimension towards treating a particular indication called melasma. Now, melasma is such indication, where there is no answer to. Different clinics, different doctors, they use different methods of treating melasma. Of course, melasma cannot be treated, but it can definitely be contained. But even then, it's not a very easy condition to be taken care of. So this is one such device which is FDA for treating melasma. And with the new technology, a lot of patients, a lot of people who have this concern of treating melasma can definitely come to Skin Envy and get themselves treated. Apart from melasma, if we talk about the other famous treatment that the device does is called the Hollywood Peel. Now the Hollywood Facial, this is the brand which invented the Hollywood Facial, which is known as the carbon facial. When you apply the carbon and you take off the carbon by taking the stratum corneum layer off the skin. So this again has been the most popular treatment for all the clinics across the globe, not only in India, and this has been one of the most popular treatments, which was invented by Lutronic. Even the peel that we use, the carbon peel, the lotion that we use is a patented lotion that is used by Lutronic. So what you're getting at Skin Envy by Dr. Aishwarya is the authentic Hollywood facial that you will see across the world. So apart from melasma, apart from the Hollywood peel, yes, there are many more indications that can be treated, That would mean epidermal pigmentation, it will be dermal pigmentation, for example, birthmarks, cafe au lait, nevasota. Then you have a lot of indication that Dr. Aishwarya will of course speak in detail. And also not to forget tattoo removal. So tattoo is also another concern, which, people including me, we get tattoos done and later we might regret it. So there are a lot of devices which does tattoo removal, but again, the result has to be pretty fine. And that is where Hollywood Spectra comes in. And one last thing before I move on, you can also treat acne scars. The USP of Hollywood Spectra, apart from doing pigmentary concerns, is also acne scars. Traditionally, acne scars, again, this is another concern that we have as Indians. And acne scars, the treatment is not very easy. There are a lot of treatments which are available, but these treatments are not at all, I would say, no downtime. So if you do a treatment, you have to be indoors for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And the maintenance is too much, and it might even lead to some adverse reactions. But whereas Hollywood Spectra, as a treatment for acne scars, is the most safest treatment without any downtime, and there are no side effects, and there's no, post-care concerns that might develop after treatment. So that was in a nutshell about the company and about the technology. And of course, about the treatments, Dr. Aishwarya will be the right person to talk about what all can be done with the Hollywood Spectra.
You've actually covered
most
of them clearly, yes. So I think, so if you have any questions, you can probably
yes, any
ask
questions
me.
You might have.
Sure.
Okay, just to add on what extra you can do with the device, firstly, this device is not only a medical treatment, you can absolutely use it for a maintenance treatment also. For example, like there are a lot of brides to be, a lot of females who want to look good, because this device also works on brightening. Brightening would mean bringing you back to your natural color, and that can happen with this device. So if you have any weddings which are planned, say let's say 2 months, 3 months down the line, not only for the bride to be, for the groom to be, for their families, relatives. So this device is a device which is the most easiest treatment. The treatment time is maximum 10 to 15 minutes, and is the most safest treatment that can be done on all ages, all skin type. So, and also if you have an event or a party to attend the same day, this is one of such treatments that you can get it done on the very same day as well.
USA la idu celebrities da main ah edukranga. Idu red carpet facial ne solvanga idu. So you can just talk about India le moda tharava. India le moda tharava inga Skin and Wheel launch pannirkom. And Hollywood la idu vandu red carpet facial, celebrities la adikadi poi edukakodiya or facial events ku munadi. You can probably talk about
right. See, so now this particular device, the Hollywood facial, if you look at the name itself, is Hollywood Spectra, right? So it's derived from the Hollywood, because Hollywood Spectra, the name started, the Hollywood facial, the Hollywood peel started many years back, because if you look at Hollywood, the celebrities in Hollywood are much more open about the treatments that they do, be it a laser treatment, be it a facial, be it whatever. They're pretty open to it as compared to celebrities in India. But yes, in Hollywood there are a lot of celebrities. Of course, I would not know all of them, but yes, as the name suggests, this is a red carpet event. All the celebrities, when they go to a treatment, might be an award ceremony or a gala function. The treatment that they do before they go, because makeup is something definitely that everybody puts on, but that natural glow that you want comes in from a treatment like this. So this treatment was, it was created, it was made for such, you can say events where you get that instant glow, that instant brightening. So when the patients, when the clients, when they will experience this facial, what they will see is that they get that instant brightening effect. And this brightening effect is not something which is temporary, which you might get it when you go for a salon treatment, because the glow that you get in the salon is temporary. But over a series of treatment that you will get it done from the device, this is absolutely permanent. So when you do a session of say 6 to 8 treatments, as I told you, the device will try to bring you to your natural skin color, which you can never get from a facial or a treatment that you will get in a salon. So this is a medical treatment which is trying to bring you to your natural color. So you get that instant brightening effect. Yeah, and also one thing to add, I think she already mentioned, that we have, whatever we speak, whatever we say has been backed up by all clinical studies. Lutronic as a brand, we have got more than 80 clinical studies on different indications. When a patient or a client goes to a clinic, they might see a same technology, but what we need to understand, or what the patient should ask the doctor, what all FDAs do you have? For example, FDA does not mean for a device. FDA would mean FDA for melasma, FDA for a particular indication, FDA for tattoo, So FDA, because, they do a lot of research and they ensure that the results are absolutely safe. The idea is when you come for a treatment, you should not go back with any severe reaction. The results should be there, but most importantly, there should not be any adverse reaction that should come out. So this is one device wherein you come in definitely looking forward for good results, but also having a peace of mind that you cannot have anything wrong that can go with this device. That is the most important thing in today's time, which you will get with this device definitely.